Hi friends, welcome to NOR Neighborhood Place. My name is Miss Anastasia and this is Fun Friday. Today for Fun Friday, we're going to be doing a science project. For our science project, we're going to make marbled milk. So what you will need for this project is some type of pan that is spread out, so wider, because you want to have a lot of space to see the colors. You will need milk. I'm using just regular low-fat milk, but whole milk does work the best. A dropper or a spoon, something for you to put the different colors into the milk. Different types of food coloring. So I have blue, green, yellow, and then you will need regular dish soap. So this is just dish soap that I put into a bowl and a Q-tip. So to start the project, you will take your container and we're going to just fill the container with milk. You don't have to fill it all the way to the edge. We're just gonna make sure that the whole bottom of it is covered, so it doesn't have to be completely full. So this, I noticed, is exactly the perfect measurement. So it works great for this project if you have these little milk cartons at home. So whole milk does work really well because it has more fat than the low fat milk. And the fat is what is going to bind to the colors to create the marble effect that you guys are gonna see in a couple minutes. So our milk is in our container and we're just gonna take the different colors of food coloring. You guys can use whatever you have at home and we're just going to squeeze them just around our milk. So you're just going to make whatever design that you want to. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit all over. The more color that you put in, it is going to become like a really dark, like brown, murky color at the end. So I would just recommend us using a little bit of each color so you can watch them really marble when we add the magic ingredient. So a little bit of green, and then I'm going to add a little bit of yellow. So you can see I used the same dropper, so my yellow got a little bit of green in it. It kind of makes a black spiral effect. That looks really cool. Okay, so once you have added all of the food coloring, so this is what it looks like. We've added all of the food coloring. It kind of mixed a little bit, that's okay. We are going to take the end of the Q-tip and you're just going to cover the end of the Q-tip with our dish soap. So I'm just going to make sure it has a nice big amount of dish soap on it, and you're going to touch the top of the milk. So as we touch the top of the milk, it is going to create a marble effect. So some of the dish soap went in, so you guys can see how it moved around. Anywhere that you touch with the dish soap is going to start moving. That's because the food coloring is on the top of the milk, creating a difference in the surface tension, which just means that it's allowing the milk to bend up and look like kind of like a mountain. So as we touch it with the dish soap, it breaks the surface tension and makes all of the colors spread around. So I would recommend touching right into where the most color is at. You can add some more dish soap and you can just keep going until all the color stops moving. So you can do this project over and over. If you want to keep going, you can clean this little container out, add some more milk and some different colors, and keep watching it marble. Another fun thing that you can do is take a piece of plain white paper, and if you lay it right on top of the colors, it will actually paint the surface of the paper. So you could lay it down on top, press it gently, just so it gets a little bit wet, pull it out and dry it off, and it's gonna make a really pretty project that you can also do art with. Bye friends, I hope you enjoyed this project at home.